Imagine this. You're craving crispy wings, but your kitchen's tiny and you're short on time. Or maybe you're heading to a potluck and want to bring something fresh, hot, and hassle-free. Enter this Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer cooking system, a compact powerhouse that's redefining how we cook, store, and serve meals. This isn't just another air fryer. It's a lifestyle upgrade for busy food lovers who want convenience without sacrificing flavor. Let's dive into why the Ninja Crispi is stealing the spotlight and why you'll want one in your kitchen or backpack today. Why the Ninja Crispi stands out. Unlike bulky air fryers that hog counter space, the Ninja Crispi is designed for real life. Its portable glass-based system lets you cook, serve, and store meals with ease, whether you're at home, at the office, or on the go. With a sleek cyberspace finish, it's as stylish as it is functional, blending seamlessly into any kitchen aesthetic. But what makes it truly special? Let's break it down. Unmatched portability. Weighing less than a typical air fryer, the Crispi's PowerPod and glass containers fit in a tote bag, making it perfect for dorms, RVs, or picnics. Cook a meal anywhere you can plug it in. Versatile 4-in-1 cooking. With Max Crisp, Air Fry, Bake, and Recrisp modes, you can whip up everything from golden fries to gooey brownies. The recrisp function is a game changer for reviving leftovers, giving last night's pizza that just-baked crunch. Dual-size glass containers. The 6-cup container is ideal for single-serve meals in just 7 minutes, while the 4-quart container handles family-sized portions like a 4-pound chicken with veggies. Both are made of thermal shock-resistant borosilicate glass, so you can go from freezer to fryer without a hitch. Hassle-free cleanup. Say goodbye to scrubbing. The TempWare glass containers, crisper plates, adapter, and leak-proof lids are all dishwasher-safe, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. Space-saving design. The Crispi's components nest together for mess-free storage, freeing up your cabinets for other gadgets or snacks. Solving everyday cooking woes. Let's face it, cooking can be a chore. Traditional air fryers are clunky, hard to clean, and often impractical for small spaces. The Ninja Crispi tackles these pain points head-on. Its 1500-watt PowerPod delivers the same crispy results as full-sized models, but in a fraction of the space. Got leftovers? The leak-proof snap-lock lids let you store meals without dirtying extra containers. Heading to a friend's house? Pop the cooked dish in your bag, and you're good to go. No spills, no stress. The thermal shock-resistant glass is a standout feature, letting you transition from freezer to cooking without worrying about cracks or messes. Plus, the fixed heat-safe feet protect your countertops, so you can cook on granite, quartz, or even marble without leaving a mark. It's these thoughtful details that make the Crispi a must-have for anyone who loves good food but hates the hassle. Who's it for? The Ninja Crispi is a dream come true for busy professionals who want healthy, home-cooked meals without the time sink, students in dorms or apartments with limited kitchen space, families needing quick, crowd-pleasing meals that don't skimp on flavor, foodies on the go who love bringing fresh dishes to potlucks or tailgates. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or throwing together a last-minute snack, this air fryer adapts to your lifestyle. Its PFAS-free glass containers also appeal to health-conscious cooks who want to avoid harmful chemicals in their kitchen gear. Real-world performance. I tested the Ninja Crispi for a week, and it delivered beyond expectations. First up, frozen mozzarella sticks. Using the Max Crisp mode, I had golden, gooey sticks in under 7 minutes. No oil needed. Next, I tried baking a small batch of chocolate chip cookies in the 6-cup container. The results? Perfectly chewy centers with crisp edges, all without heating up my oven. The recrisp mode was a lifesaver for reheating day-old fries, restoring their crunch like they'd just come out of a deep fryer. The 4-quart container handled a whole chicken with roasted veggies for a family dinner, and the glass let me monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid. Cleanup was a cinch. Everything went straight into the dishwasher, and the nested design meant my cabinet stayed clutter-free. The only downside? I wished I'd had an extra glass container for back-to-back cooking, but you can easily buy more from Ninja's site. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.